So suppose that we got this situation. We have to integrate. Acha, this is the greatest integer less than or equal to. So we will first do the integration and then we will find out the greatest integer of the result. Okay. Now look at this. If you'll observe this function log, you don't have any direct formula for integration of log. Correct? And if you look at this function, here also we will struggle. Correct now? But look at this. Can you tell me the name of this function? Exactly. It is logarithmic function. Correct now? Can you tell me the name of this function? Exponential function. You know that the logarithmic function and exponential function are inverse of each other, correct or wrong? So let's find out the inverse of this function and we will check whether we got the next entity or not. Why we are doing this? Because we know that at the end definite integration gives us area under the curve. So we have to find out the area, and if we will apply the logics of definite integration, it will become little bit complicated. Okay, so first I will assume y equals log x power 3 plus 1 base 2 as y, and then we will find out inverse of this function. Correct? Hope you remember that if we used to find out like y equal to something in x, it's a function. Okay, and if we will write x equals to something in y, it's an inverse function. So we have to find out x from here. So first we will break this base 2. So can I write 2 power y equals x cube plus 1. Okay. Now I want to send that 1 to this side. So it will become what? 2 power y minus 1 equals x cube. Now can I cube root both sides? So if I'll write, I will be writing x equals 2 power 1 minus 1 power 1 by 3. Now we will replace, you know that f of x was written as y, है ना? F of y we can write it as y, na? F of x equals to y. Now I want the value of x, so I have to send this f that side. So it will become f inverse y. So can I replace x with f inverse y, 2 power y minus 1 power 1 by 3. So we want to find out the f inverse of f of x. So we should get function in x, na? But this time function is in y. So can I replace y with x? So we will have f inverse x equals to 2 power x minus 1 power 1 by 3. Now look at this function. It's the same. है ना? So both functions are inverse of each other. Now let's try to draw the diagram. Let's try. So we are interested in finding the area from 1 to 2. So it is 1 comma 0, and then we have, wait, I will take some more area. Okay, so this is 1 comma 0, this is 2 comma 0. You know that logarithmic function is increasing function or decreasing function. Look at the base of the log. Log base is 2. So log base 2 is an increasing function. If you'll observe x cube plus 1, it is also a strictly increasing function. Okay. So you know that if it is strictly increasing function, at minimum input we will get minimum output. At maximum input we will get maximum output. So what is the minimum input? It's 1 to 2 now. So minimum input is 1. So let's substitute x as 1. So if you'll substitute x as 1, 1 cube is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 log 2, log 2 base 2 is what? 1. So can I say that the answer is this? है ना? Or I can answer that this parameter is 0, 1. Later I will connect. Now, what is the upper limit? Upper limit is 2. So if upper limit is 2, so 2 cube is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So it will become log 9 base 2. Log 9 base 2 is greater than 3. Correct na? Because if it is log 8 base 2, then we will have 3. Log 2 power 3 base 2. So it is 3 log 2 base 2. So it will become 3. But it is 9. Argument is 9 because of this 2. So 2 cube is 8 plus 1 9. So argument is 9. So it is slightly greater than 3. So can I say that somewhere we will have this point? And if it is increasing with free hand, I'll draw the graph. Now, it's a function in x. So can we say that, sir, it's find the shadow on x-axis, take the area. Means this area you have to find. And if you'll integrate question number 1, means first part of this question, you will have this area. Now, you know that second function is inverse of first function. So if it is inverse, so can I say that whatever we have for function, we will have opposite thing as the inverse function, because in function x is the domain, y is the range, but in inverse function y is the domain, x is the range. Correct na? So what we will do, we will find out the minimum value, because it's an exponential function, it is also increasing. So suppose that the minimum is 1. So if x is 1, so 2 power 1 minus 1, 1, 1 power 3 by 2 is 1. So we will get the same point. And exactly at 1, 2 power 1, we will get 1. So this point. Now take log 9 base 2. So we will have what? Log 9 base 2 the power 2. In place of x, we have to write upper limit. Na? So you know that the base and this base, both base are same. So the answer will be 9. So 9 minus 1 is 8. And then you have to find out the cube root of 8. So it will become 3. So it is 3 only. Okay. So we got our point. So can I say that it is 0, 3? And if it is inverse, you know that its area will be this region. Is that okay? Now, we have to find out the area of shaded region. So can I say that required area is bigger rectangle minus smaller rectangle? Look at this. This is rectangle now. And we have solved so many questions based on this concept. It is area of shaded region, upper limit, area of bigger rectangle minus area of smaller rectangle. So if you'll observe, the bigger rectangle is, wait, here it will have 2. Okay, so we got that thing as 2. Now, so in terms of function, it will change. So if you will place x as 2 over here, you will have same upper limit. Okay, so this thing will become 0, log 9 base 2. I made a mistake in taking upper limit. Okay, now, so can I say that upper rectangle minus lower rectangle? Upper rectangle is what? It is The length is what? 2. Okay, and the width is what? Log 9 base 2. So can I say that the area will be 2 times log 9 base 2? Now area of smaller rectangle is what? Length is 2 and length is 1, width is 1. So 1 minus 1 into 1 is 1 square. So we got the area as this. Okay, so if you will put 2 in this function, you will get the upper limit. If you will put 1 in this function, you will get the lower limit. I hope you guys got the idea, and hopefully if you will have inverse function and you can connect with this question. Okay.